Hey guys and gals, this is Eric from No BS Reviews, Bonuses, and Training. Let's go through the bonuses on this new product review called Ranksnap 3.0. It's a new one that's come out. They've come out with versions 1 and 2, but this obviously is a much better upgraded version, as you're going to see here in a moment, okay? So if you act upon this fairly quickly, within the next 3 or 4 days, definitely these bonuses will still be available. This is a fast action bonus. Keyword SEO mastery is a pretty good way to set up and start your keyword success along with Ranksnap 3.0. And then we have blog posts that sell. That's always a difficult thing to try to do, especially sales copy. You definitely, if you have a website especially, it increases your engagement, list subscribers, and sales. And then we have the WordPress SEO 101, which gives you more search engine traffic. It uncovers the secrets to exploding your WordPress traffic. And then bonus number 4 is native advertise exposed. And gets more exposure to your Ranksnap sites or your websites in general, and it uncovers the secrets to getting massive traffic. Okay, obviously that's what this is about, is getting traffic, right, to your coaching offers or your sales, that type of thing, e-commerce. Review blogging is the number 5 bonus. How to build review blogs and profit handsomely from them. Content management systems. That's our number 6 bonus here. Regardless of the type of website you're working with, you will always need content. Of course, number 7, easy online income streams. A good majority of online incomes are easy to achieve, and often they do not require much investment. And then also number 8, bonuses, keyword research ninja 2.0. Escalate and filter these profitable keyword terms. Okay, and then our fast action bonus number 9 is WordPress in Content Pop-Up Pro. This is awesome to have a pop-up whenever someone comes to your site if they're planning to leave it, because a majority, I would say 80% or around there, end up coming to the site and leaving it and not doing anything. So you want to try to capture their attention. That's what that one does. And then our fast action bonus number 10, WordPress Copy Guard. Stop your valuable WordPress blog content from being stolen and copied onto other people's websites, okay? And then Backlink Warrior is our number 11 bonus. Discover the easy way to use a software tool that finds unlimited relevant backlinks. This is one of the hardest things to do, and one of the things that SEO says that you need is backlinks to connect back to your website. And also, we have my bonuses specifically for Ranksnap 3.0 Deluxe if you purchase within a certain period of time, as you'll see at the bottom of the WordPress site. Simply automated traffic by Viral Traffic Ninja. That's what this is about, is you getting more and more traffic. So if I have some bonuses that can help you do that, that's what I've entered in here today. Then we have InstaViral, a cloud-based software content for websites and affiliate links to help you go viral with some of your product offers and or your coaching programs, whatever you have that you want to offer to people on that website. Then SEO Strategies is a wonderful money-making strategy. You'll see that as you go through the process and the ebook. It will help you with search engine crawlers, that type of thing. And then underground traffic sources. Learn the underground traffic sources for any blogger as an affiliate marketer and or someone who is promoting their brand online through a website. Okay, we have gone through Ranksnap 1 and 2 before. This is the 3rd one, so they're basically stating that it's an upgraded, higher, stronger version. If you've never heard of Ranksnap before, that's fine. It's still really good to help you understand how to automate backlinks to your websites, those type of things. And this is how, as they state, non-SEO guys have ranked for hard keywords on page 1 of both Google and YouTube in minutes and stay there for years. Okay, now I will say that that's a pretty big statement. Okay, for hard keywords, what do they mean by hard keywords? Well, they're probably talking about weight loss or any type of stock trading, those type of things that are giant keywords that a lot of giant websites have control and a hold of via Google, because as we all know, Google is about 65 to 70% of the website space on search engines in general. So if you get ranked in Google on the first page with pretty much any keyword that gets you some type of traffic, you're doing really well, okay? So it's a custom software that replicates and automates the work of thousands of SEO marketers. That means what they're saying is that you don't have to go and hire somebody to do this for you. You can set this up with Ranksnap 3.0 and then push a few buttons, set up a few things, and it should be much more automated for you. So hopefully you'll save money by not having to hire SEO people. I've hired SEO people before. I don't think it's really worked for me, but thousands of dollars later, I basically have nothing to show for it. So by hiring those type of people. So this definitely might be an alternative if you don't want to spend thousands of dollars. You can rank any video, any website, or any local business keyword. In other words, that's local business keyword is really good. You can do that, and also videos. Most people don't realize that they can do a YouTube video, say, and they can rank for that. So you can earn $250 to $500 a month per client if you do local business rankings. Now, I know with things that have gone on in 2020 and 2021, it's pretty difficult right now for anyone in any business. But as you can see, the restaurants are coming back. A lot of the industry is coming back. People are excited, and they're going to need someone who can acquire leads for their business locally. So this is definitely something that would be a great opportunity for those interested. Get 100% free traffic from absolute scratch. This means organic traffic. Organic traffic is wonderful. I am used to having organic traffic as a YouTuber. I've had organic traffic where I've had hundreds and even thousands of people that are much more direct targeted come to me for things that they want and need. Now, artificial intelligence software gives you tons of free traffic according to Ranksnap 3.0, and the results are by real people. Real people come to you and are looking at your website. It's not bots. It's not those type of things. And as you can see, there's an example in here that they give you of how to rank on page 1. And you can see here also some of the Google page 1 rankings that they have. Loving this software. It is so much easier than anything else that this person, Ronald Hedges, has ever used, including SE Nuke or some of the other search engine ranking opportunities that are out there, and the agencies that we were talking about before, SEO agencies that would love to spend your $500 or $1,000 a month or even more to try to build up your website and rank it for you. Okay, I've had that experience before where it's even up to $5,000 a month. I thought they were crazy. Okay, because they wanted $5,000 a month and they wanted a contract for 12 months. That means $60,000 without me knowing whether or not they're going to get what I need them to get, which is not just traffic, but conversions. Okay, so this is a good alternative for those of you who want to at least give it a shot. Okay, and they also talk about the traffic potential in SEO is beyond any traffic source. I know that for a fact. Google is the biggest search engine in the world, along with YouTube. If you're willing to make YouTube videos, you can definitely rank those videos with this type of system because they know what they're doing with keyword and link research. And also, if you're one of those type of people that doesn't have a lot of time, this is going to give you a new way of doing SEO, and the fancy loopholes don't work. Okay, they're very straightforward with this from what I've seen. Search engines hate loopholes, If you want to rank, simply give them what they love, which is content, quality backlinks, old school quality content that links back to whatever it is you want to rank for. Whatever page, whatever website in general, they eat this up. Google loves this, okay? But they don't like the loopholes and people trying to go around the system. And if you have somebody that's working with you like an agency that is probably doing that and you don't even know it and you're still paying them $500 or $1,000 a month, you're wasting your money, okay? Loads of free traffic. Stay on top of the rankings too, because that's going to be fairly difficult, okay? You better start building hundreds and thousands of quality backlinks, and you better start monitoring them on a daily basis. So that's what this software proclaims to do. Now, you need to manually build thousands of high quality backlinks. That's what you don't want to do, and that's what this opportunity seems to offer you, okay? Which is a pathway with Ranksnap 3.0 in order to get Google traffic. Step one, obviously, as you see here, enter the site you want to rank. Step two, enter the keywords you want to rank for, and they use their software or go manual, doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you can't outsmart billion-dollar search engines. You must give them what they want. If you don't care what all the things are telling you about the loopholes, definitely you want to create something that will do everything for you. And you don't want to do that. And this is on complete autopilot, so at least it knows how to automate the entire process from backlink building to monitoring your actual backlinks and making changes after they break, because a lot of times they are going to break. So definitely it is for people who want this to be a little bit more simplistic, and you just be able to enter in the process that they show you. And if you want to rank for the harder keywords, definitely the higher competition keywords are going to get you tremendous amount of traffic. Okay, so it works for international people too, international marketers. It works for all around the earth, the world, that kind of thing. And definitely you want to imagine the influx of traffic that you can possibly get. So this being said, Ranksnap 3.0 has went through a version 1 and a version 2, and definitely they have upgraded this with Google Maps and other things. I know specifically about Google Maps, especially if you want to rank for local businesses. They really help you to process this correctly. And with any type of software, it just depends on who and what owner and creator has done to help those individuals that want to rank. And I believe Ranksnap, in general, the brand, has done that a lot for a lot of people. And now they've just come out with a better version that's going to give you cloud-based. It's a cloud-based version, which is wonderful. You don't have to upload anything on your computer. So, and it features citations that rank local businesses on Google Maps 1,000% faster. That is extremely interesting. Because if you're trying to start an agency or just a representative of promoting and getting traffic for others, I think that's what this is going to be really good for, is not just traffic for yourself, but traffic for others. If you can do that for others, then $500 a month or $1,000 a month is going to be easy for you a lot of the times, especially in these bigger cities. And step one, you choose your target, local rankings, video rankings, or website rankings. And then step two, simple visual backlink strategy builder, which is wonderful because it kind of sets in perspective how the direction you want to go in. You fill in the blanks and prepare for rankings. And then you activate their machine, Ranksnap 3.0. And then they schedule any time that you want. You can schedule it, you can set it for immediate to start, but it's a process, and you can continue to repeat this process, okay? It's not just one-off. You can continue to do that with thousands of keyword searches. Single snap tech, secure your rank, which makes your rankings stick. I think that's one of the biggest problems. You may get to the first page, but how long are you going to last on that first page, right? So, and how strong of a keyword is it? So, Google obviously collects users' behavior to evaluate the relevance of their content, okay? So, definitely, I give this a pretty good thumbs up, 3.5 stars, because I know Ranksnap 1.0 was really solid. And definitely, you know, you have the opportunity here to click a few buttons, set it up, go after a keyword, and then repeat that process over and over, acquiring backlinks, and then obviously being able to monitor backlinks. I definitely would start with the first offer that they have, which is the basic commercial offer. And then go from there. I wouldn't know that the OTOs are going to help you quite a bit. I always say that in my product reviews because I feel that a lot of times they have a lot of OTOs or offers after the fact. And I think for the first part, it's going to be good for just the Ranksnap 3.0 version for you to get started and process those keywords and those backlinks that you're going to want to process. Okay. So hopefully this has helped you. I definitely have some good things and bad things to say about it. The bad things are, or the things that I don't like about it, are you're kind of in the dark until you actually get Ranksnap 3.0 and you go through the process. Now, if you learn the process, it's a 3 or 4 step process to continue to try to rank for these high-end keywords and backlinks. That's great. But if they start offering you something that's a step up and a step up and a step up, I would be a little wary about that because you want to start with the first thing, see how it goes, see if they monitor your backlinks, which Ranksnap 1.0 did for me. I did have Ranksnap 1.0, and it did work for a couple of my projects that I've had. So definitely give it a try, give it a chance. And definitely check out these guys because they have a history of being capable of ranking people's websites and videos on the first page of Google. Okay, so this is Eric with No BS Reviews, Bonuses, and Training. Make sure you click on the link below in the description to purchase this Ranksnap 3.0 if you desire to at least try it out. And then you can also collect the bonuses that I have set for you. Okay, have a great day, guys and gals.